In the vast tapestry of human innovation, the discovery of electricity ignites a monumental leap, heralding the dawn of the electronics era, a transformation that turned the invisible into the incredible and ushered in the flow of power. Harnessing this unseen force led to the emergence of early electronic devices, not merely as curiosities, but as harbingers of a new age. Central to this magical era was the vacuum tube, amplifying and switching electronic signals and laying the groundwork for radio, television, and early computers. Envision a world teeming with possibilities, where the hum of electricity redefines human capabilities' boundaries. These glowing beacons of human ingenuity, each vacuum tube, signaled a journey towards the dense circuitry forests and the silicon heart of semiconductors, setting the stage for a revolution that transformed communication, connection, thought, and dreams. The electronics tale is one of ingenuity, a narrative we continuously write with every circuit designed and signal sent, welcoming you to a saga where every spark and current leads to the next electrifying chapter. Venturing through electronics' dawn highlighted vacuum tubes' pivotal role. We now encounter a monumental shift, the invention of the transistor, marking the semiconductor revolution's onset. Picture a world once reliant on bulky, energy-intensive vacuum tubes, now reimagined by the transistor's introduction. This compact, efficient device revolutionized electronics, setting a rapid evolutionary pace. Semiconductors, with their alterable properties, became modern electronics' cornerstone, transforming devices from radios to computers. This critical technological leap didn't just revolutionize the industry, but laid the digital age's foundations, indicating a future of increasingly accessible and powerful technologies. Amid the transistor's revolutionary wake, our journey delves into the heart of electronics to unveil circuits, the quintessential components empowering all modern devices. These circuits, in their diverse and intricate designs, embody the subtle art of balancing efficiency, performance, and complexity. From basic series and parallel circuits to sophisticated integrated circuits within tiny packages, their evolution epitomizes human creativity. They are the threads weaving our digital world's fabric, dictating functionality and driving capabilities from rudimentary toys to cutting-edge supercomputers. As we explore these pivotal designs, we'll understand how electronics principles are spectacularly applied, further cementing circuits and semiconductors in our reality's architecture. Our path through electronics evolution brings us to where real magic unfolds, semiconductor applications shaping our modern world. In computing, semiconductors fuel digital innovation, crucial to devices that manage our data and connect clouds. In telecommunications, they ensure our world's seamless connectivity, facilitating endless exchanges globally. Semiconductors also vitalize consumer electronics, bringing entertainment and assistance to our fingertips. This segment reveals how these components continually drive electronics forward, demonstrating that semiconductors' role in innovation and daily life is indispensable and far-reaching. Standing at the future's threshold, we're beckoned by the promise of electronics' extraordinary next chapters. Our journey, from vacuum tubes to advanced semiconductors, showcases relentless innovation. What lies ahead? Emerging technologies hint at advancements that could redefine efficiency and performance, including self-repairing circuits and more intuitive device interactions. Tomorrow's electronics promise not just novel gadgets, but a transformed daily existence, more interconnected and innovative. As we speculate on future advancements, it's clear the quest for electronic innovation, driven by human curiosity and ingenuity, is boundless. This journey, a story of aspiration and technological exploration, is just beginning. Let's embrace the future, fueled by the courage that has always propelled us.